Google Analytics is a free tool provided by Google, and you can attach it to your website and track how many visits your website gets. This is the Google Analytics dashboard, and I'm looking at a DIY website, and I can see how many visits that website has for the past 7 days. I can see additional information for like how long they've stayed on a page, the different sources, whether it's coming from Google search, Facebook, or somewhere else. You can see the visits by country, your most visited pages, and which devices the users have used to visit your website, and even more information here going through the menus, but this is in general. Now I will demonstrate how you can link Google Analytics to your DIY website. For that, you have to register an account with Google Analytics first, and I already registered my account. Once you do that, you will log in and you will see that dashboard, but probably will be empty. Go to admin down there, and from admin, click to create a new account. That new account will be your website, my website. .ie, for example. And then I will unclick those. I'll click next. And on next, I will click show advanced options. Now, property name, it will require that name. So I will again type my website.ie. I will again type that here. And then I want to click on create universal analytics property. Yes. Again, this is in the advanced options and it's hidden. So you want to reveal the advanced options and say create universal property true. Then there is my website URL, my website.ie. Okay. And the final part is to select create universal analytics property. If you leave that the way it is, it won't work with the DIY website. So you have to specify create universal property. Next, it asks you a bunch of questions, and we'll just go like that and then create. You have to accept the terms of agreement here. And finally, at the end, you should see this screen with some scripts here and some explanations how to attach the Google Analytics to your website. The only thing you need is that tracking ID on top. So I will copy it. Copy. Then I will go to my DIY website. This is my DIY website, admin panel. Open the admin menu, go to site options, find the Google Analytics key and paste it. Then save. Once that's been done, the DIY website will attach Google Analytics to all your pages, and the visits and other type of tracking information will start being displayed over here in these dashboards. This is it.